KY. This was for all the people who we lost. We keep them locked tight in our hearts. Life's crazy, people come and go, but when we have the last one who goes, it's the hardest thing ever, man. Stay with me. Too soon. They can wait for a moment, man, I swear. Coming close. It's coming sad. Look. Don't look for me when I'm gone, no point in wasting time. My time will come someday and I'm just confronting my fears. It's not really a fear, it's more like a destiny. Sometimes I sit and wonder, is this life really for me? Cause I've been down, done, said, hurt. I'm always looking at the stars, and then when I look at the skies, the stars are your beautiful lies. I can't even dry my eyes cause I'm here and I feel like I'm delaying you, betraying you. And when I'm gone I hope there's someone playing the song. Sometimes when I'm feeling strong, people are putting me wrong, but I keep in mind you touch your tired eyes of mine. I know you're up there shining over me. Things we couldn't see made it hard to believe. I don't really know if it's a memory or a dream, cause at the time it felt like your heart was on my sleeve. But I can't believe you really did leave. So I'm looking, searching for the answers why God took you away. I just wanted you to stay another day.
Stay with me, don't fall asleep too soon. The angels can wait for a moment.
They can wait for a moment, man.
Come real close.
Coming close.
Forget the world outside.
Coming sad.
Tonight we're alone. It's finally you and I
just wanna see your face when I wake up, cause I can't do it like this all shooken up. It's a lonely world alone, but it's the life we're living. Who knows when I'll be gone? I don't know if I should leave to see you or stay to please them. It's just too much to choose, but sometimes I really sit and wonder and see what I have to lose. And then I see my girl and I realize I have to stay, because nothing today's just not my day. It's not all about me, I just wanna show the tragedy of my family. It's real lyrics, can you feel it? Cause I've seen it and lived in it. I just couldn't find my way out. Days will never be the same, but I'll always doubt. It's just a shame you have to leave, because this pain is just like the rain. It drives me insane. I'll remember your name, it's written in vain. You can have the sunshine, just save me the rain. It drives me insane. You can have the sunshine, just save me the rain.
stay with me, don't fall asleep too soon.
Too soon.
The angels can wait.
You can wait for a moment, I swear.
Come real close.
Coming close.
Forget the world outside.
Come inside.
Tonight we're alone.
Listen.
It's finally you and I
Life gets risky sometimes, but you could just gotta take chances. Life's a game and we all gotta play in it. Life's so crazy, but I'm living mine well. Last one's farewell. If anybody tries to bring you down, just stay strong. Don't argue the fact that you're right and they're wrong. For the people in my song, just so you know, I'm living life and I won't fail. Listen to my lyrics, why I wrote this song, to help you stay strong. Everybody's human and everybody's equal, so don't listen to anybody, cause everybody's equal. Life's a game and you need to play it correct. Do the right moves and don't get caught up in those who mess. Be calm, don't stress. Complete the end of the test and hold your head held high and try your best. Let no one put you to the test. It's your heart that can put you